and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be exposing my OnlyFans. Very much so. So I get a lot of questions about like what's in my bio, what kind of things do I post, and like what are the captions on the things that I post. So I'm going to be showing y'all what's on my OnlyFans today. It should be interesting. So if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. We turn up on the channel, I have more great content like this. So every time I film an OnlyFans video, I usually do a promo. So I'm gonna do a $3 promo for this video. My OnlyFans will be $3 for probably a week. So go subscribe, ladies. Take the opportunity to subscribe. And I'm gonna be going over what's on my OnlyFans in this video, but if you want like more in detail of what I post or just want to see, definitely subscribe. It's only gonna be $3. That's kind of why I do the promo when I do these kind of videos, so you know, you ladies can subscribe and see what I post, so you guys can get ideas to what to post on your OnlyFans. And you'll be surprised, I have a lot of female followers. I would say like 60% is male, and the other 40% is probably female. So you know, a lot of ladies follow me just to get an insight on what I post and get ideas for their OnlyFans. Also, feel free to promote yourself down below. Post your OnlyFans link. Yeah, do that, okay? Promote yourself. And I finally made a playlist for my OnlyFans videos. So I'll put those in the description or in the eye up here somewhere, so just look for that. You want to watch my other OnlyFans videos, so you get some tips and tricks on what to post on your OnlyFans and how to make the most money. I have a lot of good content in them, so go check that out. And also leave down below what other OnlyFans videos you want me to cover. I do plan on doing taxes soon, but I didn't file my taxes yet, so I'm kind of waiting to post that video just so I can give you guys a better understanding of it. But that video is coming soon, and yeah, I think I covered everything, so we're gonna get into the video. So if you're new here, my OnlyFans is a lingerie OnlyFans, so I do offer other content for tips. If you're not familiar with OnlyFans, you can make a tip menu and people can tip you for other content. Yeah, you know, I'm saying it without trying to say it, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Okay. But yeah, the main thing that is on my timeline is lingerie photos, but it's very risque. Yeah, it's lingerie, but it's like, just subscribe and go see, okay? So I'm gonna put stuff on the screen, so let me move over a little bit. Sorry, because I'm gonna have to put some stuff on the screen because I do want to show you guys some things. So like I said, one of the main questions was what's in my bio, so I'm gonna put my bio up on the screen right here. One really good thing to put in your bio is what you offer on your OnlyFans. So as you can see on the screen, mine says I offer daily posts, access to all my content, request custom content, message me daily, and exclusive lingerie pics and videos. So it's just nice to put that because it lets your fan know what they're getting up front, so they're not surprised once they go on your OnlyFans and be like, oh, I thought this was something completely different. And also you can make it very appealing to them. Like, I make sure to put that I post daily first, because by me posting daily, they know that I'm very active on OnlyFans, and that's more appealing to them because they rather subscribe to someone who's gonna be on there more frequently than someone who only posts like maybe once or twice a week. So if you do, or if you plan on posting daily, make sure that's like the first thing you put in your bio. Also, it's very important to put a copyright message in there. You can see mine on the screen. That's just what I say. You can make your own up, or you can use that, I don't care. But the website itself, you're not allowed to repost people's content anywhere. So OnlyFans can sue the person if they do that, and you can also sue the person. But this is just an extra layer of protection. I feel like everyone should have that in their bio, some type of message saying that the content is copyrighted to yourself and that they can't repost it, just so if things were to, you know, go far, it's just an extra layer of protection. I just really recommend you have that somewhere in your bio or on your OnlyFans page somewhere. So now I'm going to go over my posts and captions. I'm going to show you what I can. Like I said, my page is a lingerie page, but it's very risque, and some things are cover up sometimes completely. So I'm going to show you what I can while trying to get like good content to show you, as well as good like captions. So I'm going to go through my OnlyFans and try to find some things I can show you. I'm only going to show pictures. I do have videos on my OnlyFans too, but it'll just be easier just to put pictures on here because I don't know, I'm trying not to get demonetized basically. So I'm going to show you what I can, okay? So I'm just going to show you a couple of pictures and captions as examples of what I post on my OnlyFans. Okay, so the first post will be on the screen. So this is an example of something I would post. Like I said, this is less risque than what I usually post, but I have to make it, you know, is trying not to get demonetized. Okay, we get it. So yeah, this is just an example, but this is on my OnlyFans timeline. I did post this on there. So the caption says, had to bring back this all white set from Shein. And like I said earlier, I have a lot of female subscribers, fans on OnlyFans, so I try to mention where I get the sets from, because a lot of females will message me and ask me if they can get the link to the set I have on, because they want to get it to post on their OnlyFans. So I always mention where I get the sets from and let everyone know that they can message me if they need the link. So the next one, it says sneak peek of a new set, more later today. So I like to post sneak peeks of sets before I actually post like the full set and what it looks like, you know, my face in the picture and everything, just to get my fans excited. Also, if someone's subscription is about to end, for example, and they see a sneak peek and they, you know, it catches their eye, they're gonna want to stay, so they're not gonna unsubscribe, they're gonna stay for another month. So it's nice to put a sneak peek up. I just do it like maybe a couple hours in advance, but if you even want to do it, like say you're only posting 2 or 3 times a week, you want to post your sneak peek on Monday and maybe say oh, it'll be here Wednesday. So that means if there's like some people that are subscription is ending within, you know, those next 2 days, and they see that sneak peek, they're definitely going to want to stay. So and it's another way to get more content on your timeline as well. I mean, you can do that with videos too, so definitely do sneak peeks before you actually post the full content. This post is from Valentine's Day. It says, be my Valentine, check your messages. So if you watch my other OnlyFans videos, you can send locked messages, and I might do a full video on it. I don't know if I did a full video explaining that or not, but you can send locked messages and they'll have to pay to unlock the message. But I like to post like another sneak peek of the message on my timeline. And why I like to do this is because it kind of reminds them that, you know, they have a message waiting for them. So if they don't see their messages, or they didn't check, or if they just log on to OnlyFans and that's the first thing they're going to see, so they're gonna want to go check their messages. So it's just a good way to remind them that they have a message waiting for them, and since they can see that sneak peek, if they like it, they're going to want to unlock the message. That's pretty much, I can't really show much else. Like I said, I have a lingerie page, but the stuff I post is not YouTube appropriate. So that's all I can show you guys, but go subscribe. I do send out free links, but I can't send out free links to everyone. If you really need a free link, let me know. But ladies, if you have extra $3, go on my OnlyFans. If you really need help or ideas of what to post, definitely go jump on that. Like I said, it's gonna be $3 for the next week, so you guys can go on there and see what I post, get some inspiration. Again, my OnlyFans will be $3 from starting now for the next week. So if you're seeing this video within the week that is posted and you need some OnlyFans and inspo, go subscribe. Men, go subscribe to my OnlyFans. There's great content. I have a lot of people that can vouch for that. I've gotten a lot of good feedback from the males that are fans of my OnlyFans. It's good, and like I said, I post every day, and it's content that I don't post on other social media handles, so it's really nice. It's exclusive, you know. Be more intimate with me, okay? And again, ladies, post your links down below, promote yourself in the comments, promote per. And I do promotions for free accounts, but I only do it for free accounts right now. I don't want to, if you have to pay for an account, I don't want to take your money and it doesn't work. So I only do promotions for free accounts right now, because that usually works. I think I did a video on free accounts and why that's a good thing. I think, pretty sure I have a lot of OnlyFans videos, and like within those videos there's like other points I hit on, so make sure y'all go watch those videos. Like I said, I have a playlist for my OnlyFans videos now, so go watch all those videos for more tips and tricks. And also let me know down below what other videos you want to see as far as like OnlyFans videos, and I'll be sure to record them. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.